Hey, so here is Google Meet. So how to add a whiteboard to Google Meet. So super easy. What you need to do is just tap on three dots, and then you have here whiteboard, which is basically a Jamboard. So the company acquired by Google, and then you can either choose existing Jamboard or start a new whiteboard, and you will see create a new Jam. And there you have it. So it's integrated with your Google account, and it just looks something like this. And yeah, if you want to draft something or discuss some ideas, that's basically how it works. Or yeah, so it's like a, I don't know, wireframing board. So you can also, of course, like write some text, add some, and then you just can use the laser and all of that. So you can just play with it.